Shrikal, everybody. Thank you so very much for tuning in on my YouTube channel. And if you're seeing me for the first time, and in any case you would like to connect with me on any of my social media, I've listed every single thing in the description box. So do not forget to check that out in the last. And if you like this video, in any case, if you like this video, then do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel because this will really mean a lot to me. And for today's video, as you can see, I have glammed up myself. Created this beautiful look for the Lohri festival, and it's pretty very simple and very minimalistic kind of a makeup, but only bow lip is there, nothing else is there. I've not put a lot of jazz into this look, as that's what I personally feel. And if you want to know exactly how I got this look, then please keep on watching this video till the end. Starting with no makeup on, I'm going to be taking 2 pumps of pack moisture lotion in between my fingers and going to warm it up a little bit and going to apply it all over my face, and not forgetting my neck and also the eye because they tend to dry and crease the most. And now I'm going to be using the Maybelline lip balm in the variant of watermelon, followed by a L'Oreal Paris Base Mystique primer. It's a very thick primer and it is going to give you a perfect filter face and going to hide all of your pores. And I'm going to be applying it all over my face and going to blend really nicely. Do not forget your eyes again. For foundation, I'm going to be using MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NC25 with the Real Technique buffing brush. Going to blend that all into my skin. I am starting with a very less product and I'm going to build it later if needed. The one and the most important key to get the perfect looking base is that you have to blend everything so seamlessly into your skin that it looks so much perfect and filtered looking. So right now I'm just going to blend everything into place, and I'm not going to forget my neck. Now I'm going to be using my YBP sponge. I have dampened a little bit so that it can absorb every extra base that is there on my face. And I'm going to be matching everything with my ears and as well as with the neck. And now it's the time to conceal your darkness of your face, and for that I'm going to be using my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Light. Going to apply it on my forehead and nose, cupid's bow, chin, and also on my contour area. Looking a little scary, but never mind. Pose and then back to the normal. Now I'm going to blend everything because key to success for a perfect base is at blending, and blending. I'm going to be waiting for 2 minutes or so that my under eye should get a little bit more coverage, and blending. That's what you all need, and I love blending. For baking my under eyes, I'm going to be using Makeup Revolution Banana Powder. It's a really nice powder, and I'm going to be dusting excess with my NYX palette, and I'm going to be swiping right and left and just take off the excess. And I'm going to be using the same palette for my contour. I'm making a very stupid face, a fish face, and I'm going to be making lines. Basically, I'm going to sculpt my face for contour and going to blend it again. And I'm going to smile now, and because it's the time for me to fill up my eyebrows, and you have to see that how quick I can do my eyebrows. Do you really want to see it? Then it's the time. 1, 2, and it's done. And for my eyebrows, I have used the MIB Professional Makeup Eyebrow Kit, and just to brush it a little bit, I'm going to be using the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. It's a really nice mascara and it is just like the Benefit one. And for my eye pencil, I'm going to be opening up my eye with using white eye pencil under my eyes. This is by Diana of London. And now I'm going to be taking this NYX palette again just to define my eye a little bit, and I'm just going to be adding a little bit of color, not so much because I want to keep this look very minimalistic with the eye. And I'm going to curl my lashes. I know it's a very difficult task for most of the people. And for lashes, I'm going to be using my favorite mascara by L'Oreal. This is the False Lash Superstar Mascara. It has one side primer, the other side is the Blackest Black Gel Mascara, and it is amazing. I cannot tell you how amazing it is. It's going to make my lashes look so much fuller, thicker, and I'm not going to forget the bottom also. And this is how my eyes are going to look like. I love this product because I personally use it in so many ways. This is basically the Gigi Hadid collection lipstick. This is in the shade Erin. This is basically a red lipstick. I love using it as a blushes. Basically, I love using red lipstick as a blushes. And now it's the time for me to highlight my face. I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution highlighter. It's a golden champagne color, and I'm going to be putting it my cupid's bow, chin, and also a little bit under my eyebrow. And the last and the most important that you guys are waiting for is the lipstick. I'm going to be using this retro matte lipstick by MAC. It's the color Feels So Grand, and here I complete my look.
Represent that Punjab.